cost of food is just crazy right now, and it's causing stress for people everywhere, making meal planning and grocery shopping into daunting and overwhelming tasks. Hi, I'm Patty Diamond, creator of Divas on a Dime. From meal planning and savvy shopping to frugal cooking, party planning, and designing homes and gardens on a budget, I provide practical guidance and creative ideas for living well on less. Are you exhausted by the never-ending struggle to put healthy meals on the table while staying within your budget? Well, it's your lucky day because I have 2 solutions that will streamline the way you plan and prepare your meals. Introducing the Meal Planning Starter Kit. The Meal Planning Starter Kit is your secret weapon to conquer mealtime chaos and skyrocket your savings. But if you'd like to learn more about meal planning, you can easily upgrade to the Meal Planning Toolkit with additional instructions. That's designed to make feeding your family easier from day one. With either kit, you'll receive a treasure trove of valuable resources. The Meal Planning Checklist. Master meal planning effortlessly with our ultimate cheat sheet, a quick 10-step plan that will have you planning like a pro in no time. The weekly meal planning template. Stay organized and on track with this reusable template. Seamlessly jot down your weekly meal plans for delicious, budget-friendly meals and a more organized, lower-stress lifestyle. The grocery list template. Make grocery shopping a breeze with this reusable, fillable list. Say goodbye to aimless wandering through the aisles. Now you'll get in and out of the store in a flash. Along with your kit, each week you'll receive the Divas Weekly Inspiration. It's packed with money-saving tips, fun, frugal recipes for easy cooking, and loads of ideas for living well on less to inspire your frugal and fabulous journey to new heights. We believe in empowering all homemakers to thrive, and that's why we offer the Meal Planning Starter Kit absolutely free. If you want more detailed instructions on how to plan meals, you can easily upgrade to the Meal Planning Toolkit. Everyone should have access to these kits regardless of their financial situation. And that's why we've adopted a pay-what-you-can business model to make our resources available to all. Your contribution, big or small, helps keep our resources free. Don't let mealtime stress and high food costs win. Save time, save money, eat healthier with less waste and less stress. Control is just a click away. Download your Meal Planning Toolkit now.